Once you connect as teacher to the session, so you basically have this interface. So I will just go quickly through the main features. So here on the right side, you have your screen where you can share your presentation or share your screen or the whiteboard. In the middle, you have the chat area, and on the left side, you have the other options as well as the list of users. So on the right side, maybe the first thing that you may do is to upload your presentation or your file. So you click upload and then you click on this cloud and you bring your presentation. Once you choose your presentation, you click upload, and actually the system will upload it and will convert it into PDF. So which means that if you have some animations maybe in the PowerPoint, this may be lost because it will be a PDF file. So to overcome this, either you create your PowerPoint with animation, but instead of uploading as um, presentation, you share your screen, or you do your presentation in a way that whenever there's an animation, you duplicate the slides. Of course, you can navigate through the slides. You can also maybe put a white slide, and where you can, if you have a stylus, you can also write there. You can delete. You can also allow the other users with this option. Maybe you can allow other students to also use their stylus and also share their ideas in the whiteboard with this option. Yeah, and finally, you can create a poll, and for this you have to write down. It's better to have prepared already your question ready in the slides, and then you just click on action and start a poll. So here, since you have ABC, so you have to choose uh, this ABC, and of course the users or your students will reply, and then you can see the answer and publish the answer and share it with your students. Yeah. Of course, you can also share your webcam here. So you have just to select your webcam and you can share it. And you can also share your entire screen. I will just stop my camera. You can also share your screen. So either you can share your entire screen, or a specific application or a specific page in your browser. Once users are connected, or your students, you can also control them. You can advise to use this mute all users except presenter. So it will put a mute to all your students. But if later on you want a certain student to speak, usually you ask the students to raise their hand. They have this option. From here, they have to one option to change the status, and they can raise your hand. So you just click on the user, and you can uh, you can unlock him, or you can also ask the user to unmute himself. You can also save the usernames. This is equivalent to the attendance plus the other option. So this is the connection status. So in the connection status, you can as a student raise your hand. I will conclude with an important feature, which is the recording. So here you can click on start the recording. So the recording will start, and once it is done, it takes few minutes to maximum few hours to appear in Moodle page. And uh, please pay attention whenever you want to stop the recording. Very important, you have to pause it, and then you have to click here and end meetings. If you fail to do this, you may not have the link. Yeah, and then you end your session. There are also other features which are also there, and maybe they are more advanced and they are new features. So maybe we will make another video to share with you the advanced features.